Here's another quick QuickBooks tip: reclassifying expenses in batch. Let's say you're going through your profit and loss report, and as you look at the expenses, you get a feeling that these expenses might have been classified incorrectly. You can actually click on any of these expenses on the total dollar amount, and the profit and loss will take you to a transaction detail report that will let you take a look at these transactions one by one. And as you go through them, you realize, man, some of these are truly categorized incorrectly. You can click on each one of them one by one and go in there and reclassify them to the right category if you want to. However, that could take a very long time, assuming there's a lot of them that need to be reclassified. So you're going to want to reclassify them in batch. And the best way to do that is to click on the expenses tab on the left-hand side, and then click on expenses. This will take you to the list of all the expense transactions that you have. If I click on filter, I can actually decide whether I want to see only bills, only checks, only expenses, or all expense type of transactions. You get to choose at that point. You can also take a look at when the transactions actually happen. So let's say I only want to do things that were done this quarter. Okay, and then maybe I'll go back a couple of months and do from August till the end of the year, whatever it happens to be. And then I click on apply, and that will show me all my transactions that are expense transactions that are in front of me. From here, I can quickly reclassify them as I go through them. I can do that. I can also click on filter one more time and go to category and pick the specific category that I want to focus on. So let's say we have this category called disposal fees, where I saw a lot of irregularities. I'm going to filter that and then only look at the ones that were for that category. Now, because the filter right now, it's set up only for this date range, it's only showing one. Let's say I want to review the entire year. So I'm going to click on this year and then click on apply, and that will show me all the transactions for this specific year. At this point, I can also reclassify them one by one, but it's so much quicker than actually opening the transaction and doing it. Or I can maybe sort them or group them by payee, take a look at these two together. I can use a shift click to choose them at the same time, and then maybe click on batch actions, reclassify, and send these to office supplies, and then click on apply. And then let's say the last three are supposed to be subcontractor expense. So I click on one, click on each one, or shift click all the way down, click on batch actions, reclassify, and put that under subcontractor. So using this tool, the filters, the batch actions, the shift click, reclassifying one by one by clicking on the drop-down menu is going to be the fastest way you can reclassify transactions. Use this instead of doing one by one, and you will instantly be more effective. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I create a new video like this. Thanks.